How to buy BNB on Trust Wallet. Find and tap on the Trust Wallet icon on your phone to open the app. Once you're in the app, look for the Buy button on the home screen. Tap on it. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies. Scroll through and tap on BNB. You'll be prompted to type in how much money you want to spend to buy BNB. Enter the amount in your local currency, and it will show you how much BNB you'll receive. Below the amount field, there's an option to select your payment method. Tap on it to choose how you want to pay. Tap on Pay with to see the available payment options. For this example, we'll use a credit card. Tap on Credit Card from the list. You'll see different payment providers. For this example, choose Banxa by tapping on it. To go back, tap the left arrow in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on Buy with Credit Card to proceed with the payment. Follow the instructions provided by Banxa. You'll need to enter your credit card details and any other required information. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully purchased BNB on Trust Wallet. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.